Hello guys, I hope you're feeling completely well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arash and I'm here to teach you French language in English. If you are going to learn French with me, please subscribe, hit the bell button, like the videos, comment below and follow my videos to learn it completely step by step. So now we are, as you already know, this is the book. This is a grammar book. Grammaire en dialogue, the name, and now we are on page 19, la page 19. It's a verb, aller, aller. So aller means to come, to go. Aller means to go. La forme affirmative here, la forme negative here. The affirmative form, the negative form. This is the conjugation. You know that conjugation is really important when you are speaking French language, because all the verbs are conjugated in this language. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, on va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Once more. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, on va. Easy. Nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. This is the affirmative form, the positive form. About the negative form, as you already know, if you watched my previous videos, right now you know how to make a sentence negative by adding no before the conjugation of the verb and pas after the conjugation. So you make it negative, the sentence. J'en vais pas, je ne vais pas, j'en vais pas. Native speakers say j'en vais pas. Tu ne vas pas, tu ne vas pas. Il ne va pas, elle ne va pas, on ne va pas. Nous n'allons pas, vous n'allez pas. Ils ne vont pas, elles ne vont pas. You know why we put apostrophe here, because it was nous allons. And we have two vowels meeting here in this part, so we must delete the first one and put apostrophe instead. If you watched my previous videos, I told them in details about liaison. Nous n'allons pas. Some examples. We have some examples here. Où est-ce que vous allez? Where are you going? What type of question it is, you know. It is a question with SCO, the type number 2. So, où est-ce que vous allez? Where are you going? Nous allons en Lituanie, à Vilnius. Lithuania is a country. It's a feminine country. Why it is feminine? Because it has been ended in E. And all the countries ending in E, they are feminine. And we must put on before the feminine countries. But if it was a masculine country, instead we must put O. For example, au Japon. Oh, pardon, au Japon. Japon, non. Au Japon. Nous allons au Japon. Nous allons au Portugal. Portugal, au Portugal, au Portugal. Portugal. We are going to Lithuania, and before the cities, guys, we must put a. The preposition a. Où est-ce qu'ils vont? Where are they going? Ils vont au cinéma. Au, you know, a plus le makes o. Ils vont au cinéma. They are going to the cinema. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? How are you? Je vais bien, merci. I'm fine. Thank you. Comment ça va? How are you? Ça va bien. Thanks. I'm fine. Ça va? Are you fine? Oui, ça va. Yes, I'm fine. Non, ça ne va pas. It's a negative sentence. Ça ne va pas. I'm not fine. I'm not good. Next slide. It is about another important verb in French language, that is venir. The pronunciation is venir, means to come. La forme affirmative, affirmative form. La forme négative, negative form. The conjugation is like that. Je viens, tu viens, il vient, elle vient, on vient. Pay attention to S at the end, and for the third person it is T at the end. Je viens, tu viens, il vient, elle vient, on vient, but they have the same pronunciation. Nous venons, vous venez, ils viennent, elles viennent. A negative form, put N before the conjugation, pas after the conjugation. Je ne viens pas, je ne viens pas, tu ne viens pas, il ne vient pas, elle ne vient pas, on ne vient pas. Nous ne venons pas, vous ne venez pas, il ne vient pas, et finally, elle ne vient pas. Même conjugaison pour, même means same. The same conjugation for revenir. What does it mean, revenir? Revenir means to come back. To come back. If you pay attention to this verb, venir means to come. When I add re before this verb, I will make another verb that is revenir, and re means again. So to come again, to come back, to return. To return. On ne prononce pas ONT à la fin d'un verbe. Prononce comes from the verb prononcer. The infinitive is prononcer. Pronounce, to pronounce. On ne prononce pas ONT. We don't pronounce ONT à la fin d'un verbe. At the end of. À la fin de means at the end of a verb. We don't pronounce ONT. For example, we don't say ils viennent. This ONT is not pronounced at the end of this verb. We say it is pronounced like that. Ils viennent. Examples. Tu viens? Will you come or do you come? Vous venez avec nous? Will you come with us? Do you come with us? These two questions are, what kinds of questions they are? They are exactly intonation, the first type. Il vient avec sa femme. He comes with his wife. And finally, partir. It's another verb. It's another important verb. Partir. Partir. I put, Partir means to depart, guys. To depart or to go. But there's a big difference between aller, because we have aller. Aller means to go, and also partir means to go, mostly to depart. It is better. There's a big difference between them. When you say aller, means to go. For example, je vais à la piscine. Je vais, for example, je vais à la piscine. À la piscine. Piscine means to swimming pool. I am going to the swimming pool. I go to the swimming pool. So this is aller. But you don't say je pars à la piscine, because partir means to depart. It is you're going to start going. It means that this is the start point of going. You intend, it's better to say, you intend to go somewhere. You intend to go somewhere. So, la forme affirmative, la forme négative. Je pars, the conjugation. Je pars, tu pars, il part, elle part, on part. Again, you have S at the end, but T for the third person. Nous partons, vous partez, ils partent, elles partent. And For negative, je ne pars pas, tu ne pars pas, il ne part pas, elle ne part pas, on ne part pas, nous ne partons pas, vous ne partez pas, ils ne partent pas, elles ne partent pas. Guys, if you listen that I'm conjugating them quickly, I want you to stop the video and conjugate thousands times for you to keep them in your mind, because the conjugation is really important, as I told you before. Ne dites pas, there's a remark here, ne dites pas, don't say, ne dites pas. I will tell you what kind of structure exists in this sentence, because it's a negative imperative sentence. I will teach you how to make imperative sentences in French language. Ne dites pas, don't say, je vais. But, mais means but, je pars. When you want to depart, you say je pars. When you want to go, you say je vais, as I exemplified you a few minutes ago. Vous partez? It's a simple question with intonation. Vous partez? Do you depart? Will you depart? Oui, je pars en voyage. We have partir en voyage, guys. Partir. Par means partir. Partir en voyage. Partir en voyage means to go on a trip. To go on a trip. Je pars en voyage. En vacances. En vacances means on holidays. I will depart. I will go on a trip, on holidays. Comment est-ce que vous partez? How will you go? How will you depart? Nous partons en train. Nous partons en train. We go by train. We depart by train. En train means by train. Avec qui? Avec qui means with who? Avec qui est-ce que tu pars? Who will you depart with? Who do you go with? Je pars avec un ami. I go with a friend. À quelle heure? What time? À quelle heure est-ce qu'ils partent? What time they go? What time they depart? Ils partent à 18 heures. They go at 18. Have a good time, guys. I hope to enjoy my videos. Please subscribe, put the bell button, and follow my videos to learn French language step by step. Bye bye.